This is Ranjit Dahiya's new mural by Ida Rahman, Helen and Asha Parekh. This is at Chapel Road, very iconic lane. First, there was Anarkali here for many years, and then that went away, and there was this new mural of Messi and football. But I think it did not go well with the Bandaites. They wanted something to identify with India. They wanted something to identify with Bollywood. And this is what the Bollywood Art Project is all about. The Bollywood Art Project is a baby of Ranjit Dahiya, and he has promoted Bollywood through his murals. He's done murals on Rishi Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar, and lot many more. I have been documenting his work for maybe 5 to 7 years now. Though I have been after knowing him, but before knowing him, I had documented his work. I had documented this lane. I have a set on Flickr.com, which is my archives. It's called Painted Walls. There I have showcased all the beautiful murals of Bandra. Kunal? उधर आ जाओ. This is Mr. Ranjit Dahiya, the most popular celebrity wall artist. Now, I want to tell you something about Ranjit Dahiya. I have told a lot of things about him. He has started a project called Bollywood Art Project. That project has like a white fire that propagates the ethnicity, the beauty, and he has touched the heart of Bollywood. And Mr. Dahiya, I would like to ask you, what inspired you to do this for Bollywood? Just tell me honestly.
Sir, I think this city inspired me to paint.
And it was not money, but...
No, sir, not money. Money to money, I put it my own money to paint
Okay,
this.
okay,
My first mural I painted from my own pocket.
okay.
Second also, third also. So many murals I painted from my...
Yeah, I want people to know.
Yeah.
See, what happens, I'll tell you one thing. I have a camera around my neck.
Yes, yes.
When I go on the road, they think I'm a commercial photographer. I'm not a commercial photographer.
No, of course not.
So same thing with you. When people see your wall, they want to know more about you. They want, so now, tell me another thing. I'm just asking you, and I'm making a very casual thing. Did any of the Bollywood actors that you have showcased, did they ever approach you or did they ever thank you?
हाँ सर, मेरे को एक बार प्राण साहब के बेटे का फोन आया था.
अच्छा, सिकंद का.
हाँ.
प्राण सिकंद के बेटे का. सुनील सिकंद.
हाँ, सुनील सिकंद. So he really appreciated what you are doing is really amazing, and I get lots of messages also.
Very good.
People know there is a guy who is painting Bollywood around the city.
Very good, excellent.
So that people know, I think.
Now I'll tell you another thing here. You have all these youngsters working with you.
Yes.
Do they have a goal?
No, sir, it's very random. I mean, these people want to work with me,
So they can
approach
learn
me-
something,
They
yeah.
approach me like, we really like your work and we want to work with you. So I just like check see their work, but more their attitude is very important.
No, but they are very passionate. I've
And,
seen your,
yes.
I've seen your staff.
Yeah.
I mean your staff नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, टीममेट्स आपके जो हैं,
teammates.
यंगस्टर्स हैं, बड़े मतलब बहुत उनका, they are really
Yeah, I mean, we
yeah.
work very like.
Another,
as a one-
what other thing you would like to tell, which I have not posed the question as yet. There are so many things. I'm not an artist, as you know very well. I'm just a photographer and a fashion designer.
Other thing I really want to tell ki देखिए, I mean, this
Yeah.
street art in India is very like
Limited.
It's a small baby.
Yeah.
So, and we have, I mean, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अकेले कोई जो भी whoever is new artists are coming up, they should also have some kind of responsibility rather than making things bad, like vandalism करना या ऐसा वो करना. So they can also make things beautiful
Yeah.
rather than just like बिगाड़ो this, So I just want to like to build this the whole street art mission in India.
On a platform.
And a good platform, a good
Okay.
spirit is very
But I
important.
tell you, this lane,
Yes.
Chapel Road, it is a Gautan. It is a East Indian village, fishing village.
Yes.
Baroda Road, Chapel Road, Bazaar Road.
Yeah.
But I tell you, among all the roads, you have enhanced the artistic beauty of Chapel Road. I mean, I know people, mind you, who come and say, यार वो रास्ता किधर है? मतलब कौन सा रास्ता भाई? बोले नहीं जहाँ वो सब आर्टिस्ट ने काम किया है. So this is the thing that is drawing people. And I tell you another thing. As colors play a very important role in life, I was told, I was a young man at that time. I feel the colors that you have used
Yes, sir.
and the colors that tell your story, they also holistically heal people. I feel, I don't know, I may be wrong.
Of course, sir.
That certain colors, from within, they soothe the soul.
Yes.
And we Indians are born restless. Basically, we Indians are not, we are always trying to find something, and you have given a good dimension to your art.
Sir, I mean, I think we all Indian, I think इस दुनिया में सब लोग हैं वो जिज्ञासु तो होना बहुत जरूरी है. Restless is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, if you are not restless, then you are just.
मैंने आपसे ये कहूँगा कि आप मेघालय शिलोंग में जाके आपने मिथुन का किया जो भी किया, लेकिन दैट ऑल्सो brought the people of the northeast towards your art, towards because I've been to Assam and I've been to Meghalaya also.
हाँ सर, I mean,
So-
I think वो Bollywood connect everything. Bollywood connect with
Everybody.
in this country. So I think I mean that's why I just go wherever I go. I just like try to give them the nostalgia of Bollywood.
No, very good. You have done
Bollywood.
you have done an excellent job, and I'll tell you another thing. I'm in Bollywood for last 40 years, and I have also styled the costumes of sea wolves. So Roger Moore and all. That is, I was in Burlington's Taj, and then I'm in Bandra, and I worked with Bada Saab, and then I worked with Mr. Nitin Manmohan. So I'm just telling you that I've been connected to Bollywood for 40 years, but I never saw anybody promote Bollywood the way you have promoted, and without any ulterior motive, mind you.
Sir, I mean, I'm just like I'm not promoting Bollywood. I mean, I'm nobody to promote Bollywood. I'm just like
You are inspiring others to see Bollywood through your painting.
हाँ सर, मेरा मेन मुद्दा था कि बॉलीवुड सिटी है ये, इसमें यू कांट सी बॉलीवुड एनीवेयर. सो आई एम जस्ट लाइक मेकिंग बॉलीवुड इन द स्ट्रीट. Whoever comes with the love of Bollywood, they can just come and see these, and they can be happy.
I tell you another thing. I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray, his father and I share the same. His father and I share the same coach of photography, late Professor B.W. Jatkar, who was from JJ.
Okay. Come थोड़ा अंदर आ जाओ. Hello.
Who was from JJ School of Arts.
हाँ.
So I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray should promote this. He's a guardian minister, I believe. But this art, if it is done in other lanes also, not just Bandra. Bandra is, as it is, the queen of the suburbs, you know.
Yes, yes, yes.
But what I feel that you should be given an opportunity to work with them and promote art and fulfill this passion of yours. You're a young man, you know.
Yes, yes, sir. I mean, I think there are other people also who.
No, I know. What I'm saying.
And I think it should be a collective initiative.
Yeah. To bring all the wall artists together on a single platform. And you all, yeah.
Special.
There should be an exhibition.
Yes, I mean, there are
For society, like coronavirus.
Yeah.
You know, the pandemic,
Yeah.
the cyclone, all those things which are topical. So, sir, I thank you very much for your kind interviews. I know you don't give interview to people like. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं बोला I know you don't give interviews as such. You are a very private person. As I've known, you don't even hunt for publicity. You don't need it. You have so much of publicity. And there's one person who loves you a lot. And now he's at Virar. He's your coach, Surendra Pawar, who is my coach also.
Yes.
He loves you a lot. He keeps every day.
I also love him.
He keeps asking me every day, रंजीत कैसा है, रंजीत कैसा है. तो मैं बोलता हूँ रंजीत तो कल से अच्छा है. थैंक यू सर, गॉड ब्लेस.
Thank you, sir.
देखो ऊपर देखो, अरे उधर यार है. देखो ऊपर देखो, इधर देखो ना, वीडियो में देखो. किसने बोला? बाबा ने क्या बोला? तूफान आने वाला है. बाप रे बाप, फिर अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग? अभी उधर तो देखो पेंटिंग देखो कैसे कर रहे हैं. देखो उधर. दिस इज ज़हरा विद मी, my 3-year-old granddaughter. She wants to be a wall artist and she's watching Ranjit Dhaiya painting the wall. ज़हरा is 3-year-old. ज़हरा हाय बोला सबको. अच्छा, बाबा ने बोला तूफान आएगा. अरे फिर अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग? अच्छा, क्या करना पड़ेगा? तो देखो ना भाई, Come on, damn beautiful. Excellent.
है ना?
Excellent. ये देखो, ये देखिए,
डबल डबल फोटो होगा इनकी?
हाँ
डबल फोटो होगा? ये वाइट वाइट में दिखाई दे रहा है,
कौन सा वाइफ है?
दिखाई दिए पिंक और इसके बीच में आपके पास
हाँ हाँ
ये लाइन दिखाई दी।
और उधर भी बचे हैं।
ऊपर वाला भी गलत है वो पिंक।
हाँ वो ज़्यादा उड़ गया है, वो कौन सा रहेगा और वो लाइन पे भी कलर।
now see Ranjit.